Your stovetop isn't the only way to cook. Most portable burners can't sear or simmer, they just weakly heat. After replacing my stove for a month, I found only 5 countertop burners deliver serious, controllable power. The worst couldn't even brown a burger. The champion? It boils water faster than my gas range and sears steak like a professional cooktop. Discover the portable units that truly perform. Starting at number 1. NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. The NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a portable, lightweight, and shatterproof ceramic glass cooktop with 45 pre-programmed temperature settings, intuitive digital controls, and 3 wattage settings to cook anywhere with ease. You can make adjustments on the fly, set precise temperatures, and even melt chocolate or cook delicate sauces without the risk of burning them. The slim design and patented insulation technology ensure faster and even cooking. Safety features include automatic shut-off and no hot coils or open flames. Induction-ready cookware is needed. Number 2. Duxtop Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 8100MC/BT180G3 Induction Cooktop is a lightweight and compact countertop burner that uses a 120V 15-amp electrical outlet. It has a digital control panel with a built-in countdown digital timer and 10 temperature and power levels. It is easy to clean and has an auto pan detection that shuts the unit off after 60 seconds if no cookware is detected. It is ETL approved and comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 3. Cuisinart Cast Iron Double Burner. The Cuisinart Cast Iron Double Burner is a durable countertop burner that offers powerful 1,800 watts of power for fast heat up and heat retention. It features 2 heavy-duty cast iron plates, 2 separate 6-setting adjustable temperature controls, and independent adjustable thermostats with on and ready indicator lights. Additionally, it has non-slip feet for total stability while cooking. Number 4. ChangBERT Induction Cooktop. The ChangBERT Induction Cooktop is a professional countertop burner made of 1810 stainless steel and plastic. It has a large 8-inch heating coil and 10 power levels from 200 to 1,800 watts, with a temperature range from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. It is UL Commercial Standard 197 and ETL and NSF approved, with safety features such as auto pan detection and overheat protection. The timer can be set for up to 10 hours, and it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's limited warranty. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Countertop Burner. The Elite Gourmet Countertop Burner is a compact and portable cooking device that offers convenience and versatility. With its 6.4-inch nonstick cast iron cooking plate, cleaning up is a breeze. The adjustable temperature control allows you to easily reach and maintain your desired heat settings, whether you need to keep food warm or boil water. The built-in safety features, such as the power indicator light and non-skid feet, ensure safe and stable use. Whether you're at home, office, school, or on a camping trip, this burner is the perfect companion for all your cooking needs. With a wattage of 1,000 watts, it provides efficient power for any recipe. To unlock serious cooking power anywhere in your home, check the description for links to all 5 top-rated burners. If this test helped you find your perfect portable cooktop, please like this video, share it with your cooking friends, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next review where we test a popular air fryer against a commercial convection oven. Thanks for watching.